Hi, Patrick here, and in today's episode, I'd like to touch on the thought of market saturation. So it is something that you hear very common among marketers or even entrepreneurs when they try to sell their products on the internet, and then it didn't work, it didn't fly. And they say that, you know what, it's market saturation, that the market has been saturated, so our product or whatever thing that they're trying to sell, they say it couldn't be marketed. Now, is that true? Well, to a certain degree, that could be true, that there's such as market saturation. But let's say you are selling or marketing a product that is quite mainstream. I would think that market saturation problem doesn't truly exist. What truly exists, like what is the real challenge, is about not knowing how to find your customer or how to target your customer. Let's take example of Facebook, right? So let's say you're trying to sell a book about, I'm just going to make this up, let's say a book about self-help, like say how to improve your leadership, right? And that book is not selling. The marketer wasn't able to sell the book in Facebook. So he said that, you know what, the market is saturated, there are just way too many leadership books and so on. Now, if you think again, is that true? To a certain degree, that is true. But if you were to explore further, it's not the market that is giving the problem. It is the marketer or the entrepreneur, depending on how you want to label this person, or the author. Is that the marketer doesn't take the time to understand his or her audience. And because of that, he or she doesn't know how to target the audience. Because the fact is that there are probably hundreds of thousands of people who are interested about leadership on Facebook. And of course, if you are targeting the whole world, there are millions of people who are interested with leadership. So are you saying that out of these millions of people, not a single person is interested in your offer, right? The reality is that it lacks of branding, it lacks of targeting the audience well. And when I say targeting the audience, I'm not referring to just Facebook. I'm just speaking of digital marketing as a big overview, right? It doesn't have to be Facebook. You could use digital marketing to target in various of angles, various of location, various of source, and so on. And the last thing is that presenting the right offer. So presenting the right offer means is that the thoughts is that, to keep it like really simple, is that why would someone buy from you? Why would they take out their $20 or $30 or whatever the price of the book is and give you the money in exchange for the book, right? So if you dive deep inside and you figure out when someone says that the market is saturated, it is more of an excuse that the product couldn't sell. I don't think there's such as market saturation. Again, unless you're selling some obscure product that is very, very unique, like for instance, how to train a tortoise to walk faster, right? I think that would be very hard for you to sell. But if it's a topic like leadership, motivational, or you're selling physical products, right? Something that people commonly use, I don't think there's such as market saturation. What you need to do is that you need to sharpen your skill of marketing. And to be more precise, these three things: targeting your audience, branding, and of course, creating the right offer for your market. Alright, this is Patricia, and if you like this video and so on, if you think can help anyone, just go ahead and help them with this video, share with them, and so forth. Right, this is Patrick here from patrick.live. See you then.